Right, so number 4, part 4 for Prism Live Studio. Yeah, you're gonna love it. Yeah. Right, so we're using Prism Live Studio. My name is Whiskey. Welcome to this video, and I'm gonna do number 4, and we're gonna talk about features. Features about stuff you don't usually get into when you do your recording, and there's some cool tricks and tips to make your stream a little bit more visual. So let's dive into this video. Let's talk about transitions. If you have multiple scenes and you just want to make that transition look so moist. Okay, very easy. I really don't understand why I said moist. Sorry about that if I triggered you. Right, let's add quickly a scene, but we'll just copy this one. Copy. So it's 2 scenes. We'll remove a few things so you guys can see the difference between the 2 scenes. All right, so oh, it already did it for me. How lovely. Okay, so let's say we want to cut. Okay, well, let me just do that step again. So we click here, and let's say we want to cut the scenes. So we transition, bam, it just cuts it. There is no smoothness of transitioning between the 2 scenes. Now, when you want to do that, let's add a slide. Let's add the slide, and then, whew, yes, you can even make it longer. 10,000 seconds. Let's see if it works. That's actually so cool. Actually, I might keep it. Yeah, so that's how you actually create a transition between scenes. You can really be creative. You can actually add a stinger. Now, a stinger, let's just show you, is a stinger. It's a short video clip, like 30 seconds. You can even make it longer if you want to do an ad break. And then when you switch scenes, it will trigger the video. The video will be playing, and whatever you're doing is in the background until the video stops playing. So that's a stinger. So this part is actually very cool. Then the next part is let's talk about features on the UI. First, you can actually remote control your Prism from an app. You basically download Prism on your cell phone, and then scan the QR code, and you can actually control the software on your phone. Wonderful. Right, collective chat. You can actually have all your streams collected in one chat. Very cool. Only thing I'm missing, Prism, please. Only thing I'm missing right now is a events alerts box. A box that shows you what's happening on your streams from events like subs or whatever. Because I'm having now currently OBS open in, or not OBS, Stream Elements open on a second tab to see what's happening on my, or even Twitch on a second tab to see who's following or, you know, donating, so I can at least thank them. OBS does that, actually. They have that integrated system. Prism doesn't have it yet, but it's getting there. Another cool feature of Prism Live Studio is adding music to your scenes. Let's say I have this scene and I want to add music. Let's add music. Right. So I'm going to add a playlist. I'm going to add, again, yellow, local files. I'm going to add my intro song. Yay. All right. So the intro song is there. Just going to close this because it is there. Just don't stress. It's there. Okay. Then, because I added the playlist now, it's going to add an audio mixer tab here. Just reduce it a little bit because I'm going to start playing. It's going to blow your ears out. So just be careful. Okay, add that. Double click. And you can hear my music. So this is now linked to one scene. Let's say I want to go to the next scene. It should stop. Yeah, and it stopped. Right. So now I don't have music on the scene. Now I can have a different song playing on the scene or a playlist. So you don't need to alt-tab anything. Right, so next trick is basically we're going to go settings. We're going to go to settings here. We're going to add hotkeys. So we're going to hotkeys. And we're going to say scene 1 is numlock 1 if you have a stream box, you can also put hotkeys there. Let's say scene 2 is that, apply. So let's say press, you see I'm gonna press numlock 1, music start playing, and the scene just goes where I need it to go. Right, so I never have to do alt tab. I can just have the thing open in a second screen. I just use my numlock to control my entirety of my stream. But now I can use also the app, because you can see there's a remote control feature as well. And that's very cool. Next one is drawing. Let's say I want to be a devil or Bugs Bunny. I'm a liar, Pinocchio. Yeah, or you know, like the Asmongold branding. I want to be a hammer. You know that logo of Asmongold, the cock rocket. I can do that if I want to illustrate something on my stream or videos, so you guys can see it. I can add stickers. I can have effects. All of this is there for you to play around with. The coolest feature also in this entirety of this software is the fact that you can multiple stream at the same time. So you can see I can add multiple streams. It's free. And then also, let's talk about this studio mode. I can have studio mode exactly like OBS. So everything you can have in OBS, this is this here, but it's it's installed already. So if you guys did like this short video of cool tricks and tips about Prism Live Studio, thumbs up. Let me know if you need to know anything else about Prism Live Studio. I would love to give you guys more tricks and tips how to set up certain scenes and so on. And if you're troubleshooting, there are some things you can do to fix Prism if it has problems like troubleshooting. And on the same breath, please go and check me out on the Whiskey Ranch on Twitch, and I'll see you guys there. My social links is on my Twitch bio, the Whiskey Ranch. So it's the_whiskey_ranch, and my bio, in my bio, there's a link tree for all my socials. I'm on TikTok, you name it, I'm there. So please come support me, and if you did like this video, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next Prism video, or maybe a stream or two. Adios, amigos.